Hi everyone, and welcome to this short Microsoft ISV demo. Today, we will show you our SaaS solution and how it connects to Dynamics 365 customer service and the real problem it solves for support teams. First, our SaaS solution is Microsoft certified, and it's accessible through the Microsoft Marketplace. It is called ToumAI Multilingual AI Assistance for Dynamics 365 customer service. The goal of this solution is to help companies integrate multilingual AI assistants with their customer service workflows. These assistants can answer customer questions instantly in multiple low-resource languages and dialects such as Moroccan Darija, Zulu, Afrikaans, and more, and this across many communication channels such as websites, WhatsApp, etc. For example, imagine an e-commerce company. The AI assistants can answer questions about products or availability in the customer's language and reduce the workload on agents. And if the request becomes complex, they escalate it to a human agent in Dynamics 365 customer service platform. Now, before showing you how to create these AI assistants in our SaaS solution, let's quickly look at Dynamics 365 customer service platform. So basically, Dynamics 365 Customer Service is a platform that gives organization a single, unified view of customer interactions across chat, email, social messaging, and voice channels. It is divided into two main parts. We have the administration area, where conversational workflows, communication channels, and the integrated AI assistants are configured. And we have the agent workspace area, where human agents handle escalated conversations. Our AI assistance integrates directly into this existing structure. So now let's go into Dynamics 365 admin area and look at a simple chat workflow. So this is a typical workstream configuration. Its type is messaging, meaning communication happens through text. The channel used here is instant chat, with queues that determine where the conversation is routed, in our case, to the AI assistant. Each workstream has four main components: the chat channel, the AI assistant, the routing rules, and the context variables. Let's go through each of them. The first component is the chat channel. This is the chat widget that customers see on the website and use to start a conversation. It is easy to integrate using the code snippet provided at the end of the configuration. The second component is the AI assistant. This is the component that actually communicates with the customer. But if we look at its configuration in Dynamics 365, you can see that the available language list is limited, as it mainly supports high-resource languages and does not include many African languages or regional dialects. This is exactly the gap that our SaaS solution addresses, as it extends this language support by providing AI assistants that can handle low-resource and African languages while still being fully integratable into the existing Dynamics 365 architecture with no changes to workflows. The third component is the context variables, and these variables represent the condition under which we want to escalate the conversation to a human agent. In this workflow, I create a variable called escalation variable, and this variable will be set by the AI assistant when it detects an intent that requires human intervention. The fourth component is the routing rules. Routing rules tell Dynamics where the conversation should go by default and where it should go when escalation is triggered. For example, imagine this workflow belongs to a telecom company. If a customer wants to cancel their Wi-Fi subscription, that's not something we want the AI to handle on its own. So we define a rule that says if the variable called escalation variable is equals to a value Wi-Fi cancellation, route the conversation to the human agent queue. And when the AI detects Wi-Fi cancellation intent, Dynamics automatically sends the conversation to the right team. So these four elements together form the core of a Dynamics 365 chat workflow. Now that this is in place, let's go back to our SaaS solution and create a custom AI assistant with personalized multilingual support. So creating an AI assistant on our SaaS solution is very straightforward. First, we give it a name and select the language. And this is where ToumAI really stands out. Unlike Dynamics default options, here you can choose from a wide range of low-resource languages and dialects, such as Moroccan Darija, Zulu, Afrikaans, alongside international languages. Next, we define the system prompt, which is a set of instructions that guide the assistant behavior. Then we configure escalation logic using the exact same context variable and value we created in Dynamics platform. And then we simply describe when it should be triggered. In this case, when a customer wants to cancel their Wi-Fi subscription. We also connect a knowledge base so that the assistant can answer using company-specific documents and data. Once we submit, the SaaS solution generates an AI assistant identification number, which we use to connect everything back to Dynamics 365 platform. I will copy the provided ID and paste it into the AI assistant configuration in Dynamics 365 in the bot application ID field. And that's it. Now, our custom AI assistant is successfully plugged into the Dynamics workflow and is capable of engaging customers through the live chat widget we set up earlier. Now that everything is configured, let's see how this works in practice. Here's our chat widget. I'm going to send a hello message in Moroccan Darija, and you can see that the bot successfully responds in the same language, and we can continue the conversation from here with the AI assistant. Now let's test an escalation scenario. If I say something like, I want to cancel my Wi-Fi subscription in Moroccan Darija, the bot detects that intent and triggers the escalation. And next, the conversation goes to a human agent with full context passed along. The agent can then continue the conversation directly from the conversational panel of Dynamics 365 Customer Service platform. So in summary, Dynamics 365 Customer Service provides the core conversational channels and workflow structure, but its native language support is limited to high-resource languages. That's where ToumAI SaaS solution comes in. It extends this by enabling multilingual AI assistants focusing on low-resource languages. So you can configure your AI assistant with prompt, escalation variables, and knowledge base, and connect it seamlessly back to Dynamics 365 using the generated ID, and embed the chat channel into your websites or mobile applications.